Hello everyone, welcome to Bordhakur's IAS Academy, Northeast's premier institute for APSC and UPSC preparations. Today I'm here with another segment of newspaper analysis of the Assam Tribune dated 9th March 2021. In the description box we have provided the link for the e-paper. You can download it from there. Do subscribe to our channel and please like and share this video. So the first news is SC issues notices to all states on issues of seminal importance. Etu Indian Constitutional jitu 102nd Amendment Act hoy tar uporat hoy ei news to, which has inserted two articles 338B and 342A. 342A jitu article hoy, it is about the power of president to notify a particular caste as socially and educationally backward, and 338B jitu article hoy, it deals with the structure, duties and powers of National Commission of Backward Class. Yate eta question arise hoise je whether the state legislatures will have any say or they can have this power to enact a law determining the socially and economically backward class. Aru jodi hihotok teolukok kiba benefit dibologia ase tetia holo hetu ei power to teoluke enable koribo paribo ne nwaribo state legislature presidentor to etu power ase. Aru ei jitu news etu arise hoise from Bombay High Court regarding a case of the Marathas bilake Maharashtra education aru job related opportunity kiba kono dhornor relaxation ba quota tenukwa kiba pabone napai tenukwa dhornor relaxation pabone napai tar bhittit ei news to ahise. Mandal verdict buli eta bahut famous verdict asile Mandal Commission in the year 1992 jot teoluke cap korisile quota at 15%, zero mane round off kora hoisile 50% quota to, and etia SC is saying that they will have to reconsider this bench in the light of change of constitutional amendments, judgments and also the social dynamics of the society. 1992 tulonat etia bahut khini changes ahise amar society, bahut khini tar mazot constitutional amendments ahise. So etia say to kenekwa hobo state legislature kenekwa dhornor hol thakibo etu yate swa jabo. 102nd or jitu 102nd constitutional amendment jitu hoy tat kunketa article insert kora hoise hetu epar apnaloke sai lobo. Yate duta article or nam mention kori dia hoise, and quota system or bikhoye caste system and quota Maratha quota uporat news to asile. Jitu famous Mandal verdict hoy hetur bikhoyo hetur reference ahise yat loa hoise, and yate state government state legislature kenekwa dhornor state thakibo kenekwa dhornor hold thakibo hetur bikhoye alochona kora hobo. He karne Supreme Court state legislatures bilakor verdict to khujise mane teolukor jitu point of view hoy hetu khujise. Second jitu news hoy, it's an international news coming from Myanmar. Ami dekhise Myanmar keneke 1 year emergency state impose kora hoise, aru tat jitu ruling party asile National League of Democracy Party tar leader Suu Kyi teo first parliament session to start korar agote a military coup eta hol. Coup hoise is an illegal seizure of power from the government, and tar pisote teo detain kora hoise aru tar logote emergency declare kora hoise Myanmarot. Jikhini population hoy teoluk streets ot ahise, teoluke protest korise etu teolukor jitu democratic rights violate hoar karne, aru not only the people of Myanmar, entire world is concerned about it. Entire world is against such atrocities which are meted on the people of Myanmar. A2 jitu military coup hoy, this is the third time in the nation's history since its independence from British rule in 1948. Yar logote mention koriswe je Suu Kyir party National League for Democracy teo majority paisile last year November 2020 parliamentary election of military yate Myanmar military 25% total seats are reserved থাকে আৰু কি মিনিষ্ট্ৰিয়েল পজিশনছ বিলাকতো ৰিজাৰ্ভেশ্যন পায় মিলিটাৰী এপইণ্টিজ বিলাকে আৰু এই যেটো ফাৰ্ষ্ট পাৰ্লিমেণ্ট সেশন হোৱাৰ আগতে ষ্টেট অফ এমাৰ্জেন্সি ঘোষণা কৰা হৈছে কাৰণ দে থিংক দ্যাট দ্য ভোটিং প্ৰসেছ was not transparent he karone teole ei emergency period 1 year emergency impose kori dise India react korise along with all the other countries of the world India is also in support of democratic transition ami hokolue jano India hoy world's largest democracy aru teoluke he karone ami প্ৰত্যেকটো ডেমোক্ৰেটিক ট্ৰানজিশন আমি হেতু সাপোর্ট কৰো হেতু সদায় আমি ফৰে থাকো বাট along with it is also not like totally in favor of cutting off Myanmar from Myanmar military okay military যেটো শাসন আছে বা military যেটো তাত এটা হোল্ড আছে মিয়ানমাৰত হেতু কমপ্লিট কাট অফ এটাও ইন্ডিয়াই নিবিচাৰে from its economic and strategic interest Myanmar obviously ami map khonar pra gome paiso Myanmar plays a very significant role in India's Act East policy Act East and Look East policy so he karone India of course it is concerned about the recent developments and recent injustice that the population of Myanmar is facing but at the same time complete cut off from military is not a viable option as far as India's own interest economic and strategic interests in Myanmar are concerned so the third news is about vaccine diplomacy etu editorial section or eta news hoy vaccine diplomacy ki hoy hetu janar agote we all know actually that why vaccines are important in this current period it is the only answer to our problem right now almost ek bosor dhori work from home hoi ase students schools bilakot in universities bilakot online classes holi ase but this can't be a permanent solution yate bahut hamper hoise students kini bisheshke adolescent period dor jikhini student hote lokor khali okol education যেটো sector hoy hetute suffer kora nai overall development emotional development hua nai and because of that mental health effect hoise anxiety issues face koribologia hoise okole thaki pelai so because of that etia vaccination khube dorkari so that ako agor nisina noholeo at least agor nisina hobole ami agua bolagibo try koribo lagibo and in this particular period India's vaccine diplomacy can play a very crucial role in enhancing its foreign policies and diplomatic relations India jetu globally India eta position hoy hetu enhance koribor karone vaccine diplomacy ব্যবহার করিছে India it is providing free vaccine and also at a subsidized rate to countries not only its neighboring countries to also those underdeveloped countries who cannot afford the western costlier equipments and medicines along with vaccines India okol vaccine buliye nohoy pandemic or time ot hydroxychloroquine then paracetamol tablets PPE kits other medical supplies ebur to a large number of countries teoloke supply korisile tar logote workshops conduct korise capacity building training provide korise to the health workers okay jetu vaccine diplomacy hoy it is a branch of global health diplomacy which helps a country to maintain good relations with the neighboring with all the countries not just neighboring countries with all the countries that it gets associated with okay yar pisot India ki benefit hobo pare because of this India ki benefit hobo pare ba ki benefit already hoise because World Health Organization e recognize korise India a goodwill gesture to earning long term goodwill because India is in line with India's neighborhood first initiative India hoday nijor neighbors along with all the needy partners telokok help koribole India hoday agbari goise advantage over China provide korisile nijor vaccine Nepal Afghanistan Sri Lanka Pakistan Bangladesh ekhini country provide korise kintu India pora prothomote provide kora hoise there has been early shipment from India in these countries aru he karone China's jetu ভেকচিন আৰু ভেকচিন ডিপ্ল'মেচি হয় হেতু কাউণ্টাৰ কৰিব পাৰিছে ইণ্ডিয়াই Western countries bilakor jibur medicines or vaccines hoy they are quite expensive. Okay, they are quite expensive, so all the developing countries they cannot afford those medicines, and moreover they are mostly concerned about themselves. They are always into themselves, so he time out they cannot they don't want, they cannot and they don't even want to help other nations. So India hetu time nijor amar iman dangor eta population thakar pisoto jetia India teniko dhoroner helping hands ag borhai tetia that is really appreciable, that is appreciated and acknowledged by all the other countries, that is India gets recognition globally. Okay, aru kintu along with providing help to other countries, along with maintaining good international relation and diplomatic relations, India should also focus on vaccinating the large population that of its own, right? India jitu vaccination phase hoy, vaccination program hoy, that in itself will be the world's largest vaccination drive jitu already start hoi goise January 2021 or prior to start hoi goise aru nijor khili supply pura complete huar pisot hai India should think about helping others. Etwe ei article to etwe bujabo bisarise. Next jitu news hoy, it's from the editorial section itself, and it is important because it's about women welfare and Indian society aspect or prao important hoy. Heading is Dowry, Society and Indian Women. Joakali ami International Women's Day celebrate korisilu, ami tate glorify korisu the journey of women, because they have always struggled in comparison to their counterpart. They have always struggled to get the basic necessities of life, and kiman teoluke struggle korise for equal pay scale, for education, for social status, for health related advantages. Egutehini karone Indian women buliye nohoy, women at large, they have been struggling. And dowry jitu eta evil practice hoy, it is dowry hoy ki actually it is the money, goods, property, estate, anything that women brings to her husband's house after a marriage in the name of gift. Okay, etu enake demand to kora hoye, but at the same time etu jate kobole bhal dekhi he karone sage etu giftor eta naam di pelai etu propose kora hoy, and pre-condition hisabeo keteba kisuman manuhe etu bostu demand kore in বিয়াৰ আগে আগে ছোৱালীৰ ঘৰৰ মানুহৰ আগত। আৰু আমাৰ ইয়াতে এটা সাইকোলজিক্যাল এটা এনেকুৱা হৈ গৈছে যে a lady cannot survive alone, she will always need a partner, which is true to some extent, but not at the stake of her life, or not at the cost of her father's earnings. হেনেকুৱা হ'ব নোৱাৰে। So সেই বস্তুটো আমি কিছুমান ক্ষেত্ৰত to a large extent obviously etia act kisumanu ulai goise punishable eta offense hoy etu, but still many people are not really bothered about this. Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961 kiman agote etu act ulaisile 1961 ote, but till now people are giving and others are accepting dowry. So etu eta bahut deep rooted evil culture hoy amar society, and etur prevalence ancient time or pray poa jay. Britishor jitu period asile tat to etu eta legal way, legally mane allowed asile je they can they can give dowry, and in turn the groom is going to marry the bride. Eniko dhoroner kisuman condition asile. Dowry Prohibition Act jitu hoy hetu hol request, payment or acceptance of dowry is prohibited. Dowry jeneke joutuk luatu jeneke eta oporad, diatu tenikwae eta oporad, okol kan somebody has to give in order to accept it, right? Jodi kunba accept kori ase tar binimoyot kunbai diu ase, so that activity of both payment as well as acceptance. Okay, that is a crime, that is prohibited. Aru hetur karone 5 বছৰলৈকে imprisonment হ'ব পাৰে, 5 বছৰলৈকে jail হ'ব পাৰে, লগতে 15,000 rupeesলৈকে fine হ'ব পাৰে। হেতু এটা act আছে। ইয়াৰ উপৰি তাৰ লগতে বহুত কেটা IPC sections জড়িত হৈ আছে। হেতু হৈছে 304B related to dowry deaths। আমি জানো, আমি দেখিছো every year actually there are so many dowry related deaths. Jodi eta egoraki mohilar within 7 years of her marriage jikun death hoy kunba karanor burn ba bodily injury karone aru hetu evidence thake aru harassment oru evidence thake, then that particular death will be can be considered as dowry death, and punishable period will be for imprisonment for a period of not less than 7 years. Then relation aruta ase 406 or jitu is related to the recovery of stridhan. Stridhan is the property which a woman can claim that has been brought from her maternal household. It can include jewelry, gifts, dowry articles, gari, এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ বস্তু বা land property এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ বস্তু include হৈ যায়, and this is a non bailable offense, non bailable and cognizable offense. তাৰ পিছত আছে any act of cruelty under the act of 498, under the section of 498A. Any act of cruelty can lead to the imprisonment of husband as well as his relatives up to 3 years plus punishment. Imanbur acts and sections thakar pisoto every minute we witness around 77 dowry related deaths. Okay, dowry related deaths 77 in a minute is not a joke. As we are discussing this news, as we analyze this particular topic, someone somewhere is a victim of dowry. Just think about it. And then what is the way forward? We all know that this is wrong. Ami hokolwe janu etu eta ku protha hoy, etu bondho koribo lage, but then also knowingly unknowingly we are practicing it. Kisumane etu bostu justify kore je it's fine, our daughter should be like, she should not face any problem in her new home, that's why we are providing all these. This is love. Yes, of course it is love. We all love our daughters, we all love our sisters, but jodi apunaloke hosake bhal pai, then please invest on her education, invest on her good health. Okay, you don't have to think about it jodi apunaloke arambhonir prai teolukor health and educational uporot poisa invest kore, because at one point of time she will become independent and she can finance herself, she can financially help her family as well. Okay, so ebilak nijor swalir বিয়াৰ কাৰণে পইচা হসাতকে আমি আমাৰ এটো এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ এটা মাইন্ডসেট হ'ব লাগে যে আমি তেওঁলোকক ভালকে পঢ়াম, তেওঁলোকক ভালকে ভাল শিক্ষা দিম, ভাল socially আমি সাউন্ড কৰিম, কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কোনটো ভাল কোনটো বেয়া হেতু বুজাম, because everything starts at home. এজনী ছোৱালীয়ে যদি দেখে, এজন লৰাই যদি দেখে যে how his mother or how her aunt is treated in the family, she will know that how much she should take and how much at what point of time she should she should give up on a particular thing. Heneke ejon lorai buji pabo, teo jete dekhibo je teo ghorot enekwa dhoroner practice ketio hua nai, tetia enekwa dhoroner kotha monot nahiboi. Ami jiman technologically sound hoyu love nai if we are still surrounded by these kind of social evils. Okay, amar strict laws lagibo, enforcement agencies lagibo jone enekwa dhoroner jibur dowry, acid attacks, apunar aru rapes and all these kind of things, enekwa dhoroner jibur ill practice hoy in the society, ebilak stop koribor karone, ebilak condemn koribor karone strict laws already ase, but we are not aware of it. Attitude change towards the ladies. আমি অকল কথা পাতি থাকিলে নহব, আমি প্র্যাকটিসও কৰিব লাগিব. Change in attitude is a must, and all the NGOs and non-profit committees, they should also work to condemn such evil practices. And the last news is about Maitri Setu, a bridge over river Feni, which will connect Sabroom to Chittagong International Seaport of Bangladesh, and it is going to strengthen the ties between India and Bangladesh. It is a 1.9 kilometer long bridge joining Sabroom in India with Ramgarh in Bangladesh. Maitri Setu is the name of this particular bridge, and construction has been taken up by the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. Jikhan bridge high, it is going to make Tripura the gateway of Northeast with access to Chittagong port of Bangladesh, and the name Maitri Setu symbolizes the growing bilateral relation and friendly ties between India and Bangladesh. India is also providing Bangladesh with vaccines through her vaccine diplomacy. And Feni is the river over which this bridge is built. It is a transboundary river with an ongoing dispute about water rights. River Feni, it originates in the South Tripura district and flows through Sabroom town and then finally enters Bangladesh. Next we have some questions. Tinta question, short questions hoy aru last duta question hoy hegera long questions mane apunar mains perspective or questions hoy. So first question is, who is known as the forest man of India? Next, India is a member of which of the following Asia Pacific? Number 1, Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. Number 2, Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Number 3, East Asia Summit. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A, 1 and 2 only. B, 3 only. C, 1, 2 and 3. And D, India is a member of none of them. Third is, where is Simlipal Tiger Reserve located? Fourth question, what is Magna Carta? Discuss its role in the constitutional history of UK. Fifth and last question is, do you consider the practice of dowry as unethical and immoral? Justify your answer. So this was all for today. Thank you so much. Please download the e-paper, which is the link of which has been provided in the description box, and I'll see you tomorrow with another session of the newspaper analysis. Thank you so much. Till then, keep learning and keep educating yourself. Bye bye.